Hello and welcome back. Today is December the 2nd and we are going to open up the package number 2 of the Rosey Life Planner Advent Calendar box. So, you ready? Let's go. Here's the box. It says the Rosey Life Planner inside. And we want to find package number 2, and it is right here. Today, I think, is some washi day. Now, I did get a washi yesterday as well, and I have already used it in my journal. So, look at all of these goodies that we're going to dive into, but not today. Today we're going for number 2. So, let's see if we can unpack this. I think I'm gonna have to cut this actually. So, we're just gonna do it. And let's have a look at what is inside. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is one big roll. It's a lace tape, actually. And it has a blue and a pink and a black. And let's see how this will look. We're gonna open it right now. So, if I am able to find, here is the opening. And let's see. Come on. Why is it so hard sometimes to find the right opening space for them? So, let's see. I'm sorry for my sniffles, guys. I'm still not 100% back, but I am getting there. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Some lace. And there's quite a lot in this roll. So, this is gonna last me a long time. And it is so beautiful. These are definitely going into my planner for 2025. Guaranteed. So let's see if I can make it even more visible for you guys. I'm not gonna open it and lay it down. But this is beautiful. Baby blue and baby pink and black with hearts. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, that was the gift for today. And tomorrow, we will be going back and see what is in package number 3. And I'm not even going to look in here to try and figure out which one is next. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay,